you doing right now?
I'm just organizing everything that, different matrix, cleaning up, really. Do you use your umbrella a lot? I think Irongate uses umbrella more than you. Our vehicles from the trusty HHR, not so trusty now, not as reliable as they used to be, getting up in age. We're switching all to the Transit. We recently purchased this Transit just to try it out, see if I like the Transit or the new Nissan. But we tried out both, and the Transit is the winner right now. I'm not a Ford guy, but they did one hell of a job building this vehicle for stuff that we do, or any small business that needs, you know, some mobile services. So we're actually switching this over from our HHR to the Transit. Going to do a thorough clean on the Transit, and hopefully we'll go out and get another Transit for our other technician that's in Virginia. So that is the plan for today. The new Kiko blending hammer. I don't think I've used it maybe once. See that? Oop. There it is. So it actually broke. It flexes bad. That steel, the aluminum rod in here needs to be a little bit stronger. Yeah, so this is what I've been using with my knockdown. It's actually the Ultra tip that you put a push cap fitting on. Somewhat like here. You put a push cap fitting, so it kind of looks like this. Little black fittings. And what I've been doing is just polishing it. The metal that Ultra uses is extremely tough. So I've been liking it. It doesn't mark any of the paint, doesn't mark on the tip. So I've been just polishing it up and just using this as my knockdown. I've only been doing it for about two or 3 days really. So I'm going to do a little review on that. Now prior to that I was using this knockdown a lot. It's too short for me. I still need like a little bit of that extra inch really. This kind of looks cheesy. I really like the professional look of this. Try it out, guys, if you are interested in some new stuff or something different. You're just bored with the same.